Hey guys, what's up? My name is Amit, and today I will show you how you can code your first Discord bot. So we will use discord.js. JS basically stands for JavaScript. Yes. So if you don't have the basic knowledge, I'm suggesting you go learn because it is very important. So let's start by going to our web browser. Let's type node.js and the link will be in the description. So we want to install V8, okay, no matter what, but just will stay up to date. So let's wait. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've already installed Node.js. But basically you need to install and check everything is correct, so no problems will be in the future. Okay, I will exit now the installation, and let's start by creating our folder. So I will create my bot Ars tutorial because if you can see here, my main bot is arsbot. I will call mine Ars tutorial. So let's start by creating a folder. Okay, so now we have our folder. So we will click Shift plus right click. It is very important, and you will see open command prompt. I have PowerShell because I prefer it. So we will start by typing npm init. Basically this will install us our package.json, so we can be more organized about our dependencies and etc. So when you type the name, it is very important. You can't type name with caps locks. So I will call Ars tutorial. Okay, let's start by creating our version, description, okay, good. So this is our index.js. Basically, this is how we gonna run our bot. So I will create minus app.js. You don't need test command, no git, no keywords, offer basically your name. License, okay, this is very important. You have to write like this, MIT with caps locks. This will give you the license to use the node modules. Okay, so if you're happy with everything, let's type yes, I'm happy. So basically now we need to install discord.js basically because we need the library. So we will start by typing npm install. I will use the shortcuts discord.js dash capital S because we want to save it. So let's start by hitting enter. Okay, great. Now as you can see, we have our Discord bot. Our Discord.js installed on our folder. Here's node modules. Okay, as you can see, we have the modules. Now we are going to create two files. One going to call app.js for JavaScript, of course. Second one, private.json. Okay, so here we can store our token. So if you want to get help with the code, you don't need to reveal your token. So let's start by getting into Discord developer portal. You can look for it on Google. Let's get into my apps. I already got Ars tutorial here, but I will create another one. Okay, so go ahead and type your bot's name. Now I will going to choose, of course, my bot's picture, description. Okay, let's create our app. Now we got client ID. This ID will help us to invite the bot to our server. So let's go ahead and create a bot user. Sorry if I'm going too fast. You always can leave comments and I will always answer if I can, of course. So let's go ahead here and type permit. I will go just to Google and show you. Discord permissions calculator. Okay, we'll go here and we will choose administrator for now. So okay, I will show you it. Okay. So we are going to copy our client ID, paste it right here. Okay, now we have this page. You know how to invite a bot. Okay, so now we invite our bot. He's right here. See, he's offline. I will give him a rule, because why not? Okay, so now basically our bot is offline. No code was supplied, so he can't run himself. So let's go ahead, open our Atom or your favorite text editor. I will use Atom. Okay, let's see. I will close all of these. Okay, this is our app.js. Here we will start by defining Discord. What is Discord? Our bot need to know. So let's start by typing const. Okay, Discord equals require. Okay, discord.js. What I've done here is telling the bot that he has a library and he can listen to all the objects, classes, whatever I want that exists inside the library. Okay, so let's create our client. You can define client whatever, however you want. I will use client. So const client equals new discord.client. Okay, great. Now we have our client. So let's tell the bot to join. I will do client.login, and this will be our token. So remember the private.json. So we will create a token right here. Okay. Now here we will go to put our token. So let me define what private is. So const private equals require. Oh no. Let's tell the bot to require this. Take the file like this, private.json. We will tell the bot to look at this JSON file. Now we can go here. You see our token, I revealed it already. So if it's unrevealed, you can always press the button. Okay, so we will copy paste our token, paste it right here at our JSON file, and we can do private.token. Since it is a JSON file, this is how it works. So now if we will type npm install nodemon globally -save, we will come up with a nice module. I will come back when it's finished. Okay, so as you can see, nodemon is installed, version 1.11, updated 140 packages. So now if we type nodemon, oh wow, oh, I did 2 equals. Okay, see, I pressed save and nodemon is starting node app.js. Okay, good. So we didn't set up a ready event, so we can see if the bot is online, but if you go right here, you can see it, the bot is online. Okay, let's start by the simple. If the bot is ready, we want to know he's ready, right? So client.on is an event. Okay, this is how you make event. I will use the async await, the async and await. So I will do async like this, arrow function. Okay, and now I will log whenever the bot is online. So let me type online. Okay, let's see. Online, you see, now we know the bot is online. Okay, and the bot is here. So let's start by ping pong. Okay, this will be the end of the episode because I will start by the simplest things, and maybe I will show you another thing. Okay, so client.on. Let's go to the docs. I will already have them here. So we can go to client class, okay, oh no, client class, and here you can see all the events. So let's go ahead and look for message event. See message, parameter is message, so let's see. Client.on, wow, sorry my voice today, async message because it's a parameter. Okay, so now if message content equals to messaging ping, okay, let's do ping, let's open curly brackets, message dot channel dot send pong, of course it's ping pong. Okay, so now we have this. Okay, all set up. Let's see if everything goes right. I forgot a wait. Okay. Let's see. Okay, our bot is online. Let's start by typing. Okay, see, our bot responds with ping. Yeah, very nice. This is the basics of the basics. Now let's set our prefix. If you don't know what is prefix, let's take for example my bot. So this is the prefix of my main bot. So if I will do ping, he will respond. If I will do ping, he won't respond because the prefix is this. Okay, so let's start by defining our prefix. So let prefix equals our prefix. So I will choose $, I guess, for this tutorial. So if message.content, I don't know why did I delete this, starts with is a very important function. So just if basically just if the message starts with the prefix and the ping, the bot will respond with the pong. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so $ping. See, our bot respond with the pong. Okay, so let's start now by a set game for the bot. So we can hard code our game. So client dot user, we can go to the docs right here. Okay, here. So if you want to set the game for your bot, you have it right here. Client.setGame. Okay, so let's start. Client.setGame being on a tutorial. So now our tutorial game should be being on a tutorial. So let's check it. Okay, as you can see, being on a tutorial. Okay guys, so what we've learned today. So today we learned how to make our first ping command. Ping is very useful command to see response time. In the next episode I will show you basically how to get the response time on the ping. More advanced thing like how you can mute guys, how you can mess with the events, and pretty good stuff. So I will leave all the links in the description to node.js, discord.js, and PM even if you want. So please, I know I wasn't that clear in this episode. I will promise you I will be better next episode. I'm so sorry guys, but if you enjoyed it, you can always subscribe and like. So see you in the next episode. Bye bye.